Hi, I'm Divyang and welcome to our course CST8919. In this lab, the scenario is like that I have joined Maple Tech Solution Company as a cloud security and engineer. So as a developer, we are developing resources in random regions, right, like Canada, Central, East USA, and during that developing a different resources, we might expose our public IP and skipping tags. So my job is to governance and not by asking nicely, but by making a non-complement deployment impossible. So I have built a three rules, a three policy. Like in the policy, like we can only uh, create resources in Canada Central. True, every resources must carry a name, like a project name. There should be a tag. That's the policy. Like there should be a tag, and no public IP. So this is the scenario for my lab, and I have created the lab. So I'll start by showing my Azure. So this is my Azure and this is my policy. I would like to share my policy tab with you guys. So let's go to definitions, and so here we got lots of policy, right? So I would like to just see the policy which I have created. So this is the policies which are be created by myself. So I group all three into a single initiative. Like this is like all this group I created separate policy and then group in one policy. Each policy has a deny effect. In an organization, when manage control one at a time. So to audit the weather, so let's go to our Maple Tech solution here. So I told you that I have grouped them in a one policy, right? So and here's the assignment. So it's scope to my resource group. This is the resource group. Its name is resource group Maple Tech, and so like we can go here like Canada. So you can see that display name only Canada Central, right? That's the most important thing. Yeah. We can we can go here for JSON, showing the information like in more detail. So let's do a live demo. So here is so let's do our first test. So it will be denied because as we have a policy that the location should be, so see it's East USA, so that's why it deny. It should be failed. So storage account in East USA, so correctly tagged, but there is a violation for our location, so it will be not verified, right? So let's do, so here the location is right. In the second test the location will be right, but there is a minor change, that as there is a no tag in this, so this will also fail because there is no tag. So here you can see that we cannot able to do it as there is a no tag. So let's do the third test where there is a tag, there is a Canada Central location, but the IP is our public, so that will be also going to be fail. So as you can see it our request, and this test will be passed because the main reason is that we have everything, that it has a location Canada Central and right tagging, and IP address is also not public. So this would become like our successfully we can able to see that it would be deployed. Until it go to the success, I want to also like to say that everything is a infrastructure as a code. Like I have my Python like running here. So here you can see that our resource has been created. As you can see, there is no any error, right? So that's, and this is our Python like application running. Everything I am using like is a infrastructure as a code. Like here is our main TF, here will be our output, our initiative. So yeah, this will be my submission for my lab 3 for this course. Thank you.